Well, got my babies out. It's alright out here. It's pretty nice. I opened their door up. See, they just popped out. It's the first time they've been out in the runner. I'm hoping they can't get out of them holes. I think they can. There's little Pee-wee. I hope one of them don't get under that door. Yep, there's my Pee-wee. Little Pee-wee. Uh-oh. Little Pee-wee. I sold some of them. And that one's a California Leghorn, and that one's a California. Looks like I got 2 Californias and a couple of Leghorns. But here they are. And one made it out. I worry about this door. I don't know if it's secure. Or I'm worried about the door. There. Well, one's out. The rest are in there. There's one. Hello. Hello, little baby. Well, shoot. Thought they were going to come out there. I probably scared them. Yeah, let me back away. There's one. Hello. Hello, little babies. Hello. 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 And the Californias are the pure colors, and then the California Leghorns will be white and black. And then I got a couple of fat hens in there. And I hope they can't get out of that. I got some of it double wired, and this back is really wired. And then pretty soon that'll be their water bowl. But when it's baby ducks, I fill that all the way up and flip it. Yeah. But that's my babies. And I can cover this with plastic. But they're doing really good. See you pretty girls. I don't know where Liberty is. It's my ducks. They got one big chicken left. She's right there. Black one, favorite 3.0. She's wandering around up there. Sure, Liberty's up there. Yep, there she is. Got one big chicken girl left. We'll probably keep her. Here's my ducks. Been letting them sleep outside, not in that runner. Well, last night I lost one. I lost a male, Drake, like him. He's a Drake. But I got the 3 females left and 2 Drakes. And I had 3 Drakes out here. So I guess tonight they will be up in the runner. Liberty and Buddy was out here. No, they went wandering off or what happened, but anyway, it happens. But tonight they will be up and locked up in the runner, or they will go in the house. It's their choice, but they're going to do one or the other tonight. Well, everyone have a good day. I don't make it too long.